Assalamualaikum and a very good evening to all my friends, and especially Ms. Azila binti Ayubs. And my last question is about the objective of the financial reportings and my point is the basis of plannings. For the first point is the providing information to management of an organization which is used for the purpose of planning, analysis, benchmarking and decision making. So from this we can see that the basis of planning was very important. From this we have a initial plan, how to develop and how to allocate the sources, because we need to allocate the sources to the right way. Alright, and then for the second point is for the basis of planning is it helps an organization to comply with various statutes and regulatory requirements. The organization are required to file the financial statement to ROC, government agency. In case of listed companies, quarterly as well as annual result are required to be filed to stock exchange and published. And then for the third point is it facilitates that to the statutory audits. The statutory audit are required to audit the financial statements of an organization to express their opinions. Okay. From this, all the opinion that come from all the agencies will be sent to the auditor, and the opinion will be scanned, and after that the opinion will be realized to be the new projects. And for the last point is the financial report forms backbone for financial plannings, analysis, benchmarking and decision making. These are used for above purpose by various stakeholders. So from this it will make the operation of the financial organizations will become more smoothly without any problem. All the projects that have been done can be run without any delay or any problems that will prevent the project will be finished follow with their schedule. Right, that's all from me.
Okay, next objective of financial reporting is statement of achievement. It is to provide government opportunity to put forward statement of its achievement to influence user and the public. This means the financial report will act as a proof to show to the public whether the money is allocated or used in a good way. With this statement, people will not lose their confidence toward the government. For example, the government want to build the new highway, then they need to show the budget or money that they need to use, which these people can know whether the money is misused or not because they can see the financial report that will show them the truth of the project.
My name is Syakira binti Sulaiman. So, the next point of objective of financial reporting in public sector organisation is to provide the high quality financial reporting information. High quality reporting means relevant, meaningful, reliable, accurate and comprehensive reporting of management stewardship, whether in the form of number or the other operating data. It concerns in terms of economics entities, primarily financial in nature, useful for economics decision making. It is very important because it will positively influence the capital provider and other stakeholders in making investment, credit and similar resource allocation decision to enhance the overall market efficiency. Investors and creditors as a key user information to meet their needs to have the general utility to the other groups of external users who are interested in essentially the same financial aspect of a business as are investors and creditors. So it helps to guide the investor for them to making their decision process. Thank you.
My name is Nurul Heza Shuhada binti Halim, and today I will explain about the objective of financial reporting. So the next objective is to provide financial information about the reporting entity that is useful to existing and potential investor, lenders and other creditors. This is to make decisions about providing the resource to the entity. The decisions involve buying, selling, or holding equity and debt instruments, and providing or settling loans and other form of credit. The decisions also depends on the returns that they expect from an investment in those instruments. For example, the dividends. They need financial reporting to gather information regarding on how efficiently and effectively the organization can manage their financial activity, which it is also important to assess an organization's prospect for their future net cash inflows. So the sources is from the conceptual framework from IFRS foundations.
Next objective of financial reporting in public sector organization is performance evaluation. This will provide users with information to assist them to assess the financial performance of the organization over the reporting period. This information will be useful in determining the cost of providing goods and services and the change in the organization's control over resources during the reporting period. Besides that, in the business context, users will be able to evaluate the change in the organization control over resources by reference to the resources or funds employed by the organization in achieving the change. This information is relevant to the users of general purpose financial reports of business organization in predicting both the capacity of the organization to generate cash from its existing resource base and the effectiveness with which it will employ additional resources.